I hereby accept the overall total of male 189 and female 243, a total of 432 computers. Now, Ma'am Rachel Rosela Kumahig for your confirmation.
Good afternoon, everyone. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the school principal of Barabro National High School and as presented by the grade 10 level coordinator, Ma'am Apple Crista Birara, duly accepted by our assistant principal, Mr. Ariel Paler, that these 189 males and 243 females, with a total of 432 candidates for completion, have satisfactorily completed the junior high school requirements of the Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I now confirm you completers of this school year 2024-2025. Congratulations!